everybody, welcome back to G Mama's World. Well guys, I'm coming to you with another mukbang. I have the smoked ribs, green beans, mac and cheese, and coleslaw. Okay guys, it all came from Kentucky Fried Chicken. Not the ribs, I cooked those myself, but the veggies came from Kentucky Fried Chicken. So we're going to pray and we're going to get started. Oh yeah, you already know I'm drinking on Dr. Pepper. Okay? Well, how y'all doing? Amen. How y'all doing today? What are y'all eating on? I hope y'all sitting down at the table eating with me. Okay? But anyway, comment down below what you think about this video. Give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you'll know every time I drop a new video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And go over there and check out Coupon with Sandra. And subscribe to that channel also. And share this video with each and every one you come in contact with. Okay guys? So we're going to get started and out the way. Alrighty? Okay, set this here so we don't have no drippings. Okay. Fork is clean. Y'all know G Mama. Okay, here y'all green beans. That's y'all veggies. Eat your veggies. Eat your veggies. Okay. Here's your mac and cheese. I should have did the coleslaw first, but either way, it's gonna get on there. Mac and cheese. Okay. Either way, it's gonna get on there. With a napkin. Here's your coleslaw. I know a lot of people don't like coleslaw, but here's the one for the ones that likes it. Here's your coleslaw. Okay. There you real. Bite. Bite, bite, bite. All right. All righty, guys. I forgot my hot sauce, but anywho, it will do. How y'all guys doing today? Might not be a long video. Just come out here. Share my little dinner with you. That one full of gristle. It's not tough at all, but it's gristle. See? If you guys haven't checked out my other channel, do so. This is good. I had ribs left, y'all. Well, I didn't have none left that I took to the funeral, but I left a slab here. I should have. This is not a baby back here. I should have kept a baby bag. Because I don't like mans to be meaty. But on my other channel, if you're over there, I hope you're enjoying the content that I am bringing. That channel is about couponing, but it's about a whole lot more, you know. everything that I come across, that's in my fingernail. Everything that I come across that I'm saving money on, I will be posting on that channel. So this here be up here. This gristle. Y'all, I got to get down with it. This smoke's so good. I got to get down with it. See, well, I don't want to show y'all what I've been eating on, but you see all that? That's gristle. That's why it's seeming like I'm tugging with it, but I'm not tugging with it. See all that? That's gristle. You know, you have the baby back ribs and you have the pork ribs. This was the pork ribs. When I should have. Y'all forget Tinker, honey. Baby back ribs. Y'all know Tinker is crazy. She just be barking. Y'all hear my husband's voice. Just overlook it. But what I was saying, they got some good green beans. These are pork ribs. And I like baby back ribs. I don't like ribs that's real meaty. Oh, that's a bomb, Lord. Y'all Tinker just crazy. She just walk at everybody. They got onion bits in here. These green beans are real good. From Kentucky. I thought they sold baked beans. I was wrong. Tinker, you want this bone? I was wrong. Ooh, this is meaty. I mean, not meaty, greasy. I don't like my hands. All this on my hand. I pulled up in there to get these veggies. You can't go to Kentucky unless you get some chicken. But I love the coleslaw. I love the coleslaw with everything. Everything I'm eating, I can eat that coleslaw. Especially with fried fish. Oh, that's all in my fingernails, y'all. Y'all, it is getting so hot outside. Lord. It's not even spring yet. Well, it's spring in a couple of days, but it is so hot here in Texas. Oh my God. I can't, you know, when the summer get here, we're going to have a AC unit on our back. On our back. Yes, yes. Y'all know I put my food in these bowls because I don't like stuff touching. But y'all know I'm not gonna eat all this. I wish I would have had me some greens. That's what I want, some greens. I will hide behind the bushes like I'm a sniper. Yep, like I'm a sniper. Oh, y'all, I'm getting full now. I should have cut them all this size here, because I cut them so thick. And I should have cut them all down. See how tender that is? Y'all think of getting down. I should have put her on here and did ASMR, because she getting down. That's a piece of gristle. Change, you want that gristle? Y'all, she have an attitude when you don't share. Y'all see I'm leaning. You know, you can sit here and eat those crab legs, the crawfish, eat all that stuff and eat a lot of it. Well, I can't, but I see people eat a lot of it. But when they do the soul food, you get full so fast. Or just because it sticks to you. It sticks to them love handles. Woo! It make you tired. You just be tired of chewing. Have you ever had some meat where you just tired of chewing? You be like, I need to swallow it, but it's so good you can't stop chewing it, and then you done chewed it so long it's just dry in your mouth. Have y'all ever had some meat like that? Yep. Oh, just so. Let's see all that gristle. Oh, I won't be buying these no more. They was on sale. But I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos of me cooking and barbecuing and They now ready to start asking me, am I gonna do turkey legs and all these kind of things. So I'm just trying to get on somebody's map. Somebody map. Yep. I'm gonna give me a smoker, and that way, cause I do the turkey legs. I don't boil them. I do not like boiled turkey legs. I do not like turkey legs in the oven. I smoke my turkey legs 24 hours. You know, and I do not like when they boil them and bake them, they too tough. I don't like them like that. But I put them in that smoker, or either I put them on the grill, but they better on the smoker. And they just smoke. That flavor just go through them. Ooh-wee! Lord. But I'm going to give me a smoker. And I'm going to do turkey legs. And then they want the fried, what you call it? The catfish basket, the fillets. And they want the hot wings and onion rings. So I'm going to be videoing this stuff. I ain't going to be just cooking. I'm going to be videoing. I'm not going to be selling it. I'm going to sell it, but I'm not going to do the selling. I'm going to give me those, you know, those boxes that have the insulation in it. Keep it hot. Like I do the turkey legs every day. And once I get a list, that's how many fillet baskets I will fit and hot wing baskets. And that way when I deliver them, they piping hot. Piping hot. But I want me one of them food trucks. I've been wanting them for years. Food trucks. But after I had the catering business, that went out the window. When I got through with that, I really didn't want to see no more food or cook any more food. But I think that's what, since now that I'm videoing, I would want to do that. Give me a food truck and stuff. Go to different locations and sell my food and stuff. I used to do it back in the days. I used to do it out of my trunk. And that's how I got started with my catering business. So I wouldn't mind doing that again. Yep. Yep, y'all. Yep, y'all. Y'all, I'm getting full now. I ate almost all the green beans. I'm not a mac and cheese person, but it makes it look pretty. It makes it look pretty. So, but I'm not a mac and cheese person. I took a video of the food before that's why I didn't do a thumbnail. Because this thing is too heavy and them green beans would have been over there in y'all lap. Yep. Take it in the clean. Lord, y'all, she done cleaned that bone. She haven't broke the bone down, but she done took all that meat off of it. Here, you want this one? There you go. Y'all, I'm throwing it to her because she won't let me put it in her mouth. I didn't meet the dog. There was a dog at my cousin's house this past weekend. Y'all, I ain't never seen a dog. Now, I done seen some dogs like her won't let you put the food in their mouth. They want you to sit it on the ground. I ain't never seen no dog. They put this dog food on the ground. That dog never did pick up that piece of rib. Never did pick it up. And I think they finally put it on a plate and the dog ate it. But that dog would not get that rib off that ground. I said, I ain't never seen no sedated dog before. Don't want to eat off the ground. But you'll lick your behind, but you don't want to eat off the ground. That's a sedated dog. Woo, Jesus. But y'all, before I get carried away, y'all, I want y'all to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought about this mukbang. I know G Mama ate some. Now, y'all know G Mama appetite. I got to gain my appetite back because last week, you know what I went through, and I missed some days, too many days without eating. So when it's like that, I have to build my appetite back up. But anywho, still keep my family in your prayers, okay? And I want you all to comment what you thought about this video here. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And go over there and check Coupon with Sandra out. Excuse me, y'all. Subscribe to that channel, okay? And also share this video with each and every one you come in contact with. Tell them what G Mama over here is doing in her world. Hit that notification bell so you'll know every time I drop a new video. Okay? If ain't nobody told you they love you today, always remember, G Mama loves you, Tanaya loves you, which is my granddaughter, and Jesus loves you. Okay, guys? And love on your family, y'all, because you never know when that day may come. Love them, support them, and be behind them and everything that they are doing, if it's right. Okay? Give somebody you walking down the street that you see, tell them, say, how you doing today? Smile in their direction, because you never know who lives you may be saving. You never know what that person may be going through, and you can lift that person up with just a smile. It don't cost anything to smile. Okay? You see a young person reaching out doing something great, support that young person. Okay? Because support to a young person means a whole lot, because they could be doing something else. Okay? So y'all do that. Alright? And I'll see y'all in another video. Peace.